Amsterdam Calling, so pick up.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Amsterdam Calling. I'm Dan Jerry, the Dutch American that shows you the best of the city and all around the Netherlands, where alles is lief, leuk and lekker. Well, you know that we love to bring you all the hidden gems of Amsterdam, but we are also now showing you all the hidden gems all over the Netherlands. So one of these cities is Rotterdam, and we are going back there today because one of their famous museums has built this awesome structure, and it is an architectural marvel, and we can't wait to see it and show it to you. If you like our videos, a reminder, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications of all our new video uploads.
And today I'm joined by the incomparable David from International Locals Amsterdam. What is this remarkable building that looks like a mirrored glitter bowl that reflects the Rotterdam skyline? It's the Depot Boijmans van Beunigen in Museumpark, the new storage facility from the Boijmans van Beunigen Museum. The Depot is not a museum, but a storage facility, and it is the first art storage facility that is open to the public. Since the main museum can only house about 8% of their entire collection, the rest is stored here in the Depot. There are no exhibitions, but you can wander around and see how a museum operates. This is a working facility, so you can see how the works are stored, transported, and restored. It's truly fun to explore the many floors by stairs, escalators, and elevators. The main museum is undergoing a 10-year renovation. So for now, visiting the Depot is the only way to see this spectacular collection. You can explore by yourself or take a guided tour. And if you take a guided tour, you get to wear one of these cool lab coats. Walk through their lush rooftop garden and enjoy spectacular city views. Also in Museumpark is Het Nieuwe Instituut, the National Museum for Architecture, Design and Culture. Also in the Museumpark is the Kunsthal, one of the best art museums in the country. We even stumbled upon Tec Art, a funky steampunk exhibition right in front of the Worm Gallery off the Witte de Withstraat. Just like Amsterdam, Rotterdam can also offer up a few surprises.
Well, we certainly love Rotterdam, and we encourage everyone to discover it for themselves. Definitely, if you're in Amsterdam, it's a great day trip. It's only a little more than an hour away by train. This is Dan Jerry with Amsterdam Calling, hoping all your days are lief, leuk en lekker. Tot het volgende keer. Till next time.